A Jefferson County fire department is mourning the loss of one of its own. An Ixonia EMT captain died over the Thanksgiving holiday just after a week-long battle with COVID-19. Now, the chief tells Stephanie Haynes he thinks she contracted that virus while on a call.
It's quiet here at the town of Ixonia Fire Department. EMT Kelly Rather died of COVID-19 at age 42. Her last day here on the job before she got sick was back in October.
It's going to be rough. I mean, there's no replacing her.
Kelly had been with Ixonia Fire since 2005, and for 12 of those years, she was partners with Chief David Schilling.
It's still hard to imagine that the locker will remain empty and that she's just not going to be my partner.
Kelly's drive and dedication inspired them all. She also worked as a nurse at Aurora Medical Center in Washington County and taught nursing at Carroll University.
She just had that demeanor about her as a seasoned practitioner that she was very good at what she did, and she cared very deeply for the people she was working with.
Chief says it's hard to know for sure, but he thinks Kelly could have gotten infected on one of the calls. Then Kelly's mom got sick with the virus, but she has recovered.
There's a certain element of the population out there that doesn't think this is real. Well, it's real. And to try and drive that home, does it have to take somebody getting sick? Sometimes it does.
Kelly was born and raised in Ixonia and leaves behind her mother and sister. They didn't want to go on camera, but they said Kelly was sassy. She loved the Brewers, Disney, and Christmas. They said Kelly fought intubation in the ICU because she knew her chances of surviving would be slim.
But she would also say, you got to keep moving on. You have to do what you have to do. You got to protect the community. You have to serve.
Chief and Kelly's family are calling her passing a death in the line of duty. In Ixonia, Stephanie Haynes, TMJ4 News.